Boxborough, Massachusetts. Here we have a beautiful Ural Bondi, and we also going to demonstrate a very handy accessory, and most importantly, installation of this accessory. This is a very sturdy 12-volt power socket that we very quickly are going to install on the steering bar of the Urals. And it's a very neat and tight installation. There are a couple of simple tricks we're going to show you how to install it quickly. There are 3 parts to it as far as mounting goes, and of course there's an electrical part right here, and 4 bolts that we're going to install. The first thing is going to do, we're going to slip this bracket in a certain way. Okay. So we just got it in. See how it is? Now we're going to put this rubber gasket in here, and the best way of doing it is going in this way, fitting it in here. Okay, so now this bracket is nice and snug. I'm going to turn it over a little bit to create access for the 2 bolts from underneath. And now I'm going to take the actual bracket, place it up here, and take 1 threaded screw and place it on the bottom. I also have an electric driver that I'm going to place in the back. Tighten it up. I'm going to have the second from the 4 screws, put it on the back side. Here we go. Put the driver in the back. I did not tighten the first screw 100%. So now I'm going to tighten the second screw and the first screw all the way. Then I'm going to spread this a little bit and twist it over here. Then I have 2 more screws. Put 1 here, put 1 here. Get my electric driver, of course line up the thread. 1, 2, tighten up this one. Okay. We have a very nice and solid 12-volt socket mount with the waterproof cover. And as far as electrical installation goes, we have a full length of wire right here, and we have this adapter that is a standard male-female adapter, and we're going to feed this wire by the steering bar, under the gas tank, and to the battery cover. This type of adapter is also used for the trickle chargers, so it could be used both ways. Thank you for watching this video and visiting our e-store, uralme.com. Thank you.